you have an old bathroom with that type of fan. That is the round one. I'm going to show you step by step what to do in order to replace it with a new motor without making a new hole and everything. Okay, as you can see, this is the fan I have replaced. This is all dirty, it barely spins, and instead of replacing the whole thing, this is the easiest solution to fix this problem. As you can see, I just replaced it. I use the same base. I replaced the fan with the new one with the new repels that you see over there, and that's it. This is the solution, how to replace or how to get the motor. So as you can see, in this case is no tone, but if you have maybe something else, this is model 696N, and usually the new ones, instead of being round like the old ones, they are square, as you can see here, and you plug it into the conduit that they have a ductwork. So, and you have to remove this, put this, and that's it. So in this case, because the house is very old, instead of being rounded like the one they have, this is square, and there is no chance that you can get the same thing. So what I did is I bought this unit, like I said before, $16-20, and then is very easy. So usually this goes here inside. I took it apart already. So this thing goes here, and you have, I think it's another part. I think it was kind of like that. There you go. So this, as you can see here on the side, that is why I apply it with a screwdriver, and I remove it, as you can see, and everything is attached using this bracket. So you have to remove these two screws, and then what you do is you remove the engine, the motor, and you have to put it in the new bracket, or the old bracket in this case. You put it back, put it where it was, and that's it. So otherwise you have to make a big hole, because the old hole is round, this is going to be square. Also, you will have to make a frame around this, so to make it, firm and tight. You're going to modify the ductwork, so because the old one, everything goes upwards, you're going to have to do a lot of work in order to fix something that is very easy. Because if you go to Home Depot, they don't sell this in the round shape. It's only square. So this is the best solution I found. The customer was happy. I talked to him 24 hours later after I did the job, and everything works great. So this is the easiest way to solve the problem, because I know I could charge the customer more, saying, okay, it's instead of taking maybe half an hour, 1 hour doing this, it's going to take like 3 or 4 hours, doing this, cutting everything, making the frame and everything. But there is no need for that. I mean, I prefer simple solutions, quick. I want to get in, get out. Even if I charge less, I don't care. I want to provide a solution. The customer doesn't have to spend too much in something that, is, to me, is not worth it, because just by replacing the motor by itself, it will do the trick. Also, I use the same propel that I had in the new unit. I removed the old one. I got rid of it, and that's it. So this is the easiest solution. Hopefully this was useful. If you have any question, leave it in the comment in the section below, and see you next time. Right, now it's no upgrading, so it should be good.